Hello, and welcome to the Mobilit channel. Wrapping is a technique of beautifully decorating self-made items or easily concealing scratches. Among them, carbon sheet with heat elasticity is most commonly used, especially for bicycles, motorcycles, and cars, and it is the easiest to handle. I recommend using a product that feels like slightly thicker cloth without gloss. The product is highly elastic and can be cut and used as a chainstay protector. I personally use it as a chain protector for my bicycle, and it is resistant to contamination and very durable. In particular, the combination of black and wood sheets creates a very stylish look. It can also be used for repairing bike or motorcycle seats. When searching for leather seats, it is easy to find the desired product. Leather seats are reinforced with fibers instead of adhesive like stickers on the back. Using 3M adhesive bond spray makes it easy to use. For repairing or dressing up motorcycle seats or entry-level bicycle saddles, most often, tack pins are used on the back for fixation. We've briefly looked at the utilization of wrapping sheets. Subscribing and clicking the like button greatly support the production of videos. This was Dr. Road from Mobilit. Thank you for watching.